Welcome to Breakheart Orchard. Today we have half a day for this entire weekend to work on this wall. I had to work my regular job this weekend and we didn't get out here until after 3 o'clock. It's Saturday. We figure we have about three and a half hours to work. We're gonna put a spline into this wall right here, put a post in, and try to get at least one more panel in before we have to call it quits for the day. If this is your first time checking us out, welcome. We are building a 2,500 square foot SIPS panel house with a combination of conventional stick-built interior framing and some post and beam. We are working on the post and beam. We started last weekend. This is a weekend home build. So it has been going for about 7 months now. I might even be stretching past that. We started in August of last year. It is the end of May. We are hoping that by the end of July, we're putting the roof on this thing. I keep saying that and it keeps stretching out, but we are getting close and it's starting to feel pretty good. So if you're new here, come on back, check out some of the older videos. We've got 90 videos up already. We've got, I believe, 46 or 47 that have directly to do with the build.
At the end of each SIPS panel, we put in foam so that we can fill any air voids and prevent the movement from air going in or out of the house. After that, we insert a spline. That is a 2x6 dimensional spline that's going to be secured into the SIPS panel by 2.5-inch nails through the OSB.
It's time to put in the post base. I'm using a Simpson Strong Tie heavy duty post base. I guess the R stands for the rough cut because this is sized for a true 6x6. So with a combination of those Tapcons that we switched over to hold this down and those GRK structural screws that are fastening it to that spline, this post base is going absolutely nowhere. And one of the nice things is that it locks it in with the wall. I'm also fastening the beam to that spline, which locks it in with the wall as well. It gets fastened to both panels. I go through. I can go either through here from the back of it into the beam, or I can come from the other side. came out pretty good. Now we find out what it's like when we put it over there.
After taking some measurements, I use a Forstner bit on a hand drill to remove enough material that it fits snugly up against the spline.
Much better. Much better fit. I'm gonna lift it up and set it on there.
You okay? What happened?
I almost fell backwards.
Why?
Because it's heavy up top.
Okay.
That's funny.
Not really.
Could have been funny. Get her in there. Well, we got that one panel in and finished up, and it is full on dark. So I'm heading home. Probably come back after work tomorrow, work a little bit more. Y'all come back and check us out again. We'll be here.